Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want visitors to find your business fast, adding Google Maps to your website is one of the smartest upgrades you can make in 2026. So whether you run a shop, office, school, gym, or service business, maps build trust, improve local SEO, and reduce "where are you located" messages. Okay, so most issues happen because people choose the wrong map method. So we'll fix that. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to add Google Maps to GoDaddy websites builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open your website's editor. Okay, so log into GoDaddy, go to websites, select your website. Okay, click edit website. Okay, so you will have a page like this. So all map setup happens inside the editor. Okay, so now choose the right map method. Okay, so we have a recommended options. So for example, built-in GoDaddy map, so fastest, mobile responsive, no code, SEO friendly. Okay, so we will cover both now. So the first one, inside the editor, click add section. Okay, add section, choose contact location map. Okay, and select map. A default map will appear. This is the cleanest way to add maps in GoDaddy. Okay, so you will find it here in the upgraded version. Okay, so click the map, edit map, enter business address, city plus country, postal code if available. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.